Hello and welcome, and today we are going to look at words to know. Ebigambo byokumanya. So in this video, we're going to look at some words and phrases to know, of course, in English and Luganda. Okay, let's start. Number 1, don't tell me. Don't tell me. So this don't comes from do and not. So don't tell me. Don't tell me in Luganda is tongamba nze. Tongamba inze. Tongamba inze. Or you can say inze tongamba. Inze tongamba. So mainly they use this inze tongamba. Don't tell me in Luganda is inze tongamba. Tell me. Tell me. So tell me, and this in Luganda is ingamba nze. Ingamba inze. So tell me is ingamba inze. Okay, the next phrase. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. This in Luganda is tomugamba ye. Tomugamba ye. Tomugamba ye. So don't tell him is tomugamba ye. Okay, let's proceed. Or you can say ye tomugamba. Ye tomugamba. Don't tell her. Don't tell her. So here we've used her. Here we used him, but here it is her. Don't tell her the same thing. In Luganda is ye tomugamba. Ye tomugamba. So ye can stand in for him and her. So ye tomugamba. Or tomugamba ye. Tomugamba ye. Do you mind telling him? Do you mind telling him? Once again, do you mind telling him? Plus a question mark showing that this sentence is a question. So do you mind telling him? And this in Luganda, it's going to be ofaayo okumugamba ye. Ofaayo okumugamba ye. A question mark. It shows that this is a question. So ofaayo okumugamba ye. Another one. No, I don't care. No, I don't care. Once again. No, I don't care. And this in Luganda, it's going to be nedda inze sifaayo. Nedda inze sifaayo. So no, I don't care. In Luganda, it's nedda inze sifaayo. She will tell her. She will tell her. This in Luganda, it's ye ajja kumugamba ye. So we have two ye's. We have she standing in for ye and another her standing in for ye. So she will tell her. Ye ajja kumugamba ye. Or at times you can say ye ajja kumugamba. Assuming that you're telling him or you're telling her the person whom she or he knows. So ye ajja kumugamba ye. Okay, let's proceed. Talk to him. Talk to him. Yogera naye. Yogera naye. Talk to him. Yogera naye. Tell us, please. Tell us, please. Tell us, please. And this in Luganda, it's tugambe bambi. So please is bambi. Tugambe bambi. So you're referring to tell us, please, tugambe bambi. Okay, let's proceed. Tell them. Tell them. Tell them in Luganda is bagambe bo. Bagambe, bagambe bo. So bagambe bo. Tell them is bagambe bo. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Tobaako choyogera. Tobaako choyogera. Don't say anything is tobaako choyogera. Stay silent. Stay silent. Sigala nga osirise. Stay silent is sigala nga osirise. Sigala nga osirise. Talk now, please. Talk now, please. Talk now, please. This in Luganda is yogera kati bambi. Yogera kati bambi. So please, bambi. Yogera kati bambi. He was forced to talk. He was forced to talk. So he was forced to talk in Luganda, it's going to be ye bamukase okwogera. Ye bamukase okwogera. He was forced to talk is ye bamukase okwogera. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Hope you've learned those phrases in English and Luganda. Bye bye. Wait a